Hello, my dear family members. I want to ask you very few things. That is, are you tired of applying again and again? Are you tired of waiting for replies? Are you tired of saying that is, unfortunately, you are not selected? I know your answer could be yes. Some of you are hiding your stress from your parents, some of you are smiling outside but crying inside at night, and some of you have started doubting yourself that is, maybe I'm not good enough. But listen me carefully, you are not failure, you just need one opportunity, one. Okay, when I started this channel, I made promise to myself, if I have ever grow, if then I'll never leave my students alone in this journey. That's why today I'm telling you from my heart, we are going to help you, we'll guide you, we'll prepare together, and yes, wherever possible, we'll try our best to refer deserving students in MNC companies, because I know what it feels like when nobody supports you. I know what it feels like refreshing the mails inbox every day and just waiting for replies. So what I'm going to tell you guys, that's very important for your upcoming days. So guys, before I move to the next important part, just subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and let me know which content you want more in the upcoming time. If you are waiting for the off campus or on campus, all of those scenario will be satisfied here, so just wait. Okay.
Hey, you ready for the future? Techno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.
Accenture, Cognizant, LTI Mindtree, and Wipro, other all MNCs are constantly hiring, and very honestly, they are hiring the experience. But if you have proper mail body, if you have proper certifications and proper CV, resume, real time project experience, but no MNC experience, no work experience, that's also fine. But if you have those real time project experience, then you can apply for those companies with having some referrals. So that's what I'm just telling you guys. If you are trying to apply at Accenture, if you are trying to apply at TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, LTI Mindtree, or any other company, guys, please let me know in the comment section that you want to apply for this company and you want referral. I will refer you. Okay, and I have like few connections. I'll suggest them, I'll share your resume to them so that they can refer you. Okay, and I also am building a website where we will refer each other, so that it will be better for my students and all of you guys. Okay, now what you should do, that is, just visit accenture.com and Accenture career page. There you can find the specifications like cloud consulting, anything if you want, or you can select all, then choose 0 to 2 years, or if you have any experience, then it's exception, you can choose 2 to 5, 5 to 10, but most of the case you will be selecting this one, 0 to 2 years. And after selecting this, after selecting job type, fools, etc, etc, search your job, I mean search your expected job or expected skill set, etc. You can search by those and just see if the job was posted within very few days or not. Let's say if it is posted by 0 to 2 weeks, then you can apply. That you can see posted within 24 hours, so you can apply for this job. What you need to do, just copy this job number and send me a mail to business with .technouf@gmail.com. The mail will be showing to the screen, so just refer that and send your resume and updated resume to me. I'll share to those corresponding company colleagues. Okay, if you are applying for Accenture, then I'll make sure that Accenture guys will be replying to, like referring to you. And if you are applying for TCS, also same way, visit TCS page, visit LTA Mindtree page. There they have all career pages, right? So please visit that there and copy the job ID and just send your updated resume to that mail ID, guys. I will refer you. Okay. and I am making sure that you will be in MNC very soon. Okay, so that's what my promise is, guys. I'll not extend the video anymore. So if you want to get referred, guys, and that should be effective, I'll share everything and I will refer you in such way so that you can get a call. Okay, so that's all I had to say, guys. So if you love this video, guys, please subscribe and share this content who is intentful. Okay, so thank you.
Please subscribe to Techno UF. And don't forget to like and share with your friends.